What's up everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. Right here we have this nice Olympiad radical problem and we want to simply solve this right here. So the first thing guys you want to do right now is to simply rationalize. So rationalizing, we have this to be the square root of 36 divide 6 minus the root of 35. So we're going to rationalize this. So we're going to multiply with 6 plus the square root of 35 divide 6 plus the square root of 35. So this is equal to the square root of 36 multiplied 6 plus the square root of 35 divide 6 minus the square root of 35 multiply 6 plus the square root of what? 35. Alright? So this is equal to the square root of 36 multiplied 6 plus the square root of 35. Now, I want to simply note that if we have a minus b multiply a plus b, this is equals to a square minus what? B square, alright? So we have this to be 6 square minus the root of 35 whole square. So this is equal to the square root of 36 multiply 6 plus the square root of 35 divide 6 square is 36 minus this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be what? 35. So from here we have this to be equal to the square root of 36 multiply 6 plus the square root of 35 divide 36 minus 35 is 1. So this is equal to the square root of 36 multiply 6 plus the square root of what? 35. Alright. But we note that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So hence we have this to be the square root of 36 multiply the square root of 6 plus the square root of what? 35. So we have this to be equal to the square root of 36 is 6 multiply the square root of 6 plus the square root of what? 35. So from here we have this to be 6 multiply the square root of, now we can easily rewrite this to be 2 multiply 6 plus the square root of 35 divide what? 2. We want to simply write it this way, and we note that if we have the square root of a divide b, this is equal to the square root of a divide the square root of b, right? So applying this, we have this to be 6 multiply the square root of 2 multiply 6 is 12 plus 2 root 35 divide the square root of what? 2. So from here we can easily express this to be 6 divide the root of 2 multiply the square root of 12 plus 2 root what? 35. Alright, so we're going to say for 6 divide the root of 2, we want to simply what? Rationalize. So rationalizing this, we have this to be 6 divide the root of 2 multiply the root of 2 multiply the root of 2, and this is equals to 6 root 2 divide the root of 2 all square, which is equals to 6 root 2 divide this, cancel out this, we have this to be 2, which is equals to 2 here 1, 2 into 6 is 3, so we have this to be 3 root 2. Alright, so we already know what 6 root 2 is, so hence we have this to be equal to 3 root 2 multiply the square root of 12 plus 2 root what? 35. Okay, so we have this to be equal to 3 root 2 multiply the square root of, now we can easily express 12 to be 7 plus 5 plus 2 into the square root of, now 35 can be expressed as 7 multiply what? 5. Alright, but we know that 7 can be expressed as the square root of 7 all square, and 5 can be expressed as the square root of 5 all square. So this is equals to 3 into the root of 2 multiply the square root of 7 all square plus the square root of 5 all square plus 2 multiply the root of 7 multiply the root of 5. Alright, this was gotten from if we have the root of a multiply b, this is equal to the root of a multiply the root of b. Okay, so from here we have this. So we want to simply say that if a is equal to the root of 7 and b is equal to the root of 5, then we have that a square plus b square plus 2 multiply a multiply b, this is equal to a plus b all square. Alright, so this is equals to 3 into the square root of 2 multiply the square root of, now we have a to be the root of 7 plus b, which is the root of 5 all square. Okay, so this is equal to 3 root 2 multiply this, we cancel out this, so we have this to be the root of 7 plus the root of 5. and this becomes the final answer. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice radical math problem right here, and we have our answer to be equals to 3 root 2 multiply the root of 7 plus the root of 5, and this is the final answer. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.